In a world where the ground was a vast, monotonous plain, lived a peculiar people named the Stiltwalkers. They were tall, with long, slender legs that stretched far beyond the horizon, enabling them to traverse the endless expanse with ease. Their homes were built high in the clouds, and their lives were a harmonious dance among the skies. One day, a young Stiltwalker named Zephyr, known for his boundless curiosity, asked his father, "Why are we the only ones who can walk upon the stilts? Are there others who can see our world as we do?" His father, a wise and patient man, replied, "Son, the world is vast and mysterious. It is possible that there are others who can see the beauty of our skies, but they may not have the means to reach it. Our stilts are our gift, and with this gift, we must strive to share our world with others." Zephyr was inspired. He decided to embark on a journey to find these mysterious beings who could see the world as he did. He packed his bag with food, water, and a map, and set off towards the horizon. As he traveled, he encountered various creatures, each with their own unique qualities. He met the swimmers, who glided effortlessly through the vast oceans, and the climbers, who scaled the towering mountains with grace. But none of them could traverse the endless plains like the Stiltwalkers. Zephyr's journey was long and arduous, but his determination never wavered. One day, he finally reached a vast, dense forest. As he ventured deeper, he heard a strange, melodious sound. Following the sound, he found a group of creatures, much like him, with long, slender legs that stretched far beyond the ground. They were the Forestwalkers, a secret community hidden within the forest. Zephyr was overjoyed. He shared stories of his world, and the Forestwalkers, in turn, shared their secrets of living in harmony with nature. Zephyr returned home, his heart filled with a newfound appreciation for his world and his gift. He realized that every community, every creature, had its unique strengths and weaknesses. But it was through sharing and understanding that true harmony could be achieved. And so, Zephyr became a beacon of unity, bridging the gap between the Stiltwalkers and the Forestwalkers. His journey was a testament to the power of curiosity, understanding, and the shared desire to connect with others, no matter how different they may seem. In the end, it was not just about the stilts, but about the symphony of connections that they enabled. For in a world that seemed monotonous, it was the unique, the different, and the curious that made life a vibrant, harmonious dance.